Assassin's Creed Shadows. Here's how to install it. For those of you who have the HV version of the game, I have some bad news, which I'll tell you about. Make sure you watch this video till the end. First, you need to adjust the setup file settings. Right-click on the setup, go to Properties, and select Windows 7 compatibility mode. If you're on Windows 10, that's fine. After that, go to the Security tab and give full control. This part is optional. I do it, but you can skip it if you want. Now run the setup. Click on English. Then, if you have 16GB RAM or more, you can uncheck that option. Click Next. Let me check the space. I have about 180GB free on this drive, D drive, so I'll install it here. I'm unchecking these options because I already have them installed from previous games. After installation, run the game from desktop. A few important things to note. If you're using a normal HDD, this game will take a very long time to load because it requires an SSD, as mentioned in the official system requirements. I was able to run the game, but if I show gameplay, people start having issues and complaining in the comments, so that's why I'm mentioning this. Now, the bad news for HV users. If you already have the HV version and were hoping to just convert it like we used to do with older games, unfortunately, the converter file is not provided this time. That means you'll have to delete your old HV version and install this new one from scratch. Next, if you want to play this game with stable FPS, you should have at least an SSD, a supported GPU, RTX 3060 or better recommended, and a minimum of 6GB VRAM. Even then, for stable 30-40 FPS at 1080p with FSR on low settings, these are the requirements. The system requirements for this game are quite high, so only try it if you meet them. Just for testing, I tried running it on 2GB VRAM. The game did launch, but it stuttered a lot because it demands a lot of VRAM.